In TypeScript, we have modifiers that we can apply to our properties, and this helps us write more robust code. For example, let's say the ID of a bank account should never change. With our current implementation, we can change the ID of a bank account anywhere in our code. For example, we can go in our deposit method and accidentally set this.id to 0. And this may create a bug in our program. Now, similarly, we can go outside of this class, and where we create an object, we can set account.id to 0. Again, something that should never happen. Now we can solve this problem using the read-only modifier. So on the top, we prefix this property with the read-only keyword. Now we can only set it in the constructor, and if we try to reset it anywhere else, we get a compilation error. So here the error is saying cannot assign to ID because it's a read-only property. Good. Now let's remove this line. Now let's define a new property called nickname of type string. Now we have a compilation error because we haven't initialized this property. But let's assume that not every bank account can have a nickname. This is an optional name or an optional label that the user attaches to their bank account. So we don't want to initialize it in the constructor. Now, what can we do? We can make this optional by appending a question mark here. Now the error is gone. So this is all about read-only and optional properties. In the next lesson, we'll talk about other modifiers we can apply to our properties to write more robust code.